Hey home buyers, we're in the area of Point Douglas today and we have a unique property built in the early 1900s that's been renovated in the late 90s. It's a combination of character with modern updates. 167 McFarlane has seen updates to its mechanical, electrical, plumbing, roof, windows, and so much more. It's worth checking out, and at the price point, it can't be beat. Let's go check this place out. At 1,160 plus feet, this 1 3/4 home features 3 bedrooms, 1 full, and 1 half bathroom. The home combines character with modern housing infrastructure. The basement has a concrete foundation, great ceiling height, and is insulated, ready for future development. .167 McFarlane is loaded with value and could be the home you're looking for. If you have any further questions, please give our team a shout at any time.